In this step, we're going to archive all the lists on the aggregate board. To do that, we need to select the lists set of actions. We will then go down to Archive, List. The list we want to archive will be board name, the automation variable board name, so it will be board name in curly braces. This will then reference whichever board the script is acting on. So in this case, it would be Finish Movie Review, and it would substitute Finish Movie Review's name in where we have the board name variable. And then we want to specify the board that we want to archive the list on, and that is the overview board. That is the name of my aggregate board. The name of yours may be slightly different. Keep an eye out. Sometimes the automation will remove the variable name after you specify the aggregate board here, and I'm not sure if that's because you're specifying a board other than the board that you're in the scope of. Remember, we're currently in the scope of the Finish Movie Review project board. However, once the instructions are set up to state archive list board name on board overview or the name of your aggregate board, you can go ahead and select the plus sign, which is a button to the right, and add those instructions to the script. In the next step, we'll create a new set of lists that we can then populate with the updated in progress cards from the relevant project boards.